Are you looking to make some purple non-alcoholic drinks? Then you found the right video, as today we're making non-alcoholic Curacao. It tastes like oranges and gives drinks a cool purple colour. And at the end of the video, we'll also show you a tasty mocktail you can make. So let's get into it. Start by taking 2 unwaxed oranges. Next, take a grater and zest the peel off your oranges. Avoid peeling the white pith, as this can taste a little bitter. Thirdly, squeeze the juice out of your boiled oranges. You'll now need to make some simple syrup. 125 grams of sugar and 125 milliliters of boiling water. Slowly stir until all the sugar has dissolved. Next, take some butterfly pea flowers and add them into the mixture. If you don't have any, you can either pick some up from the link in the description, or you can simply use purple food colouring instead. Let the flowers sit for 15 minutes and occasionally stir. When you're happy with the nice colour of the mixture, filter out the flowers. Now the last steps, combining your simple syrup and the orange flavour. Then simmer for 5 minutes. After that, turn off the heat and let it cool down. Filter out the orange zest and you're left with non-alcoholic purple curacao. Now, what can you do with it? But here's how to make one of my favourites, the Purple Moon Mocktail. A tasty and mysterious two-tone drink. Take a glass and add half a part lemon juice, 2 parts of your curacao, and then top with crushed ice. After this, slowly layer cranberry juice on the top, and garnish it with a mint sprig. There we go! Non-alcoholic purple curacao. Make sure to keep it in the fridge and use it within a week. If you plan to make the recipe, give the video a like. Thank you for watching this Boozehive recipe. We'll see you in the next drink.